Hello everyone, welcome to the demo video of Yajamani POS system. So first of all you have to log in with your credentials and then go to home screen. So the Yajamani POS system has been designed in a way that you can access all the business data in the home screen itself. Let's say for example the total purchase, total sales, purchase due, invoice due and the expenses, and you can filter this data with respect to date, last 7 days, 30 days, month and the financial year. Okay, and coming down here you can see the last 30 days of the sales in a pictographical way with respect to date and the total sales, and then the same goes to this current financial year sales. Okay, and then here the sales payment due list and the purchase payment due list, and here the product stock alert list and the sales order and the pending shipments list. Okay, and then in order to access the data of in order to access the business data, you are not required to install any other softwares. Okay, and the Yajamani POS is a cloud service and it is hosted on a world renowned servers, so that the downtime will be very less. Okay, and the data will be secured by the SSL security, so the business owners has no need to worry about data privacy and the downtime of the server. Okay, and another important thing here is, as the Yajamani POS is a cloud service, so the business owners can access the business data from anywhere on the globe. Okay, so as per our competitors are there, so for them, in order to access the business data, you have to go to their respected business location and then you have to view all the data from a computer where the software has been installed. So for this Yajamani POS system, so there is no need of installing any other softwares. Okay, and coming to this home screen, here you can go to any function which is available in this Yajamani POS system by simply clicking on that. Okay, so let's say for example I want to go to this list purchases, so you can simply click on that and you can go to this list purchase. So there is no need to install any other software or opening any other web pages or like that. Okay, so this is one thing. And then so these are all the functions available, so I will explain each one of them. Coming to this users management, so here users means the persons who will be using this Yajamani POS account. So here you can add all the details and you can assign the roles for those users. Okay, and here you can add the sales commission agents. Okay, or the for this restaurant thing you can add the service staff details. Okay, and then coming to this contacts, so here you can add the supplier contacts and the customer contacts and the customer groups. Let's say for example different groups like relatives group, family group, friends group, and you can give discounts to the particular groups. Okay, and if you are using this Yajamani POS system for the first time, and if you are having contacts of the particular supplier or the customer, so you can import all the contacts in a one go by downloading this template file, and you have to add all the details by following these instructions. Okay, and then coming to the products, so you can have a list of the products which are available at your particular restaurant. Okay, let's say for example blueberry ginger mojito, or the brown bread, or the Chicago style pan pizza, like that. So you can have a list of all the products available at your particular restaurant, and you can see here the stock available. Okay, and then here you can add a product with all the details. Okay, like the product name, unit or the category and all those things. Here you can add a selling price with including of tax also, and here the SKU is a stock keeping unit. And one more important thing here is, if you don't know meaning of any word in this total Yajamani POS system, so you can simply put your cursor on this help icon. Okay, and you can read a simple definition, so that the business owner can understand the meaning of that word, and there will be no need of any accountant in order to access the data of this business of this restaurant. Okay, so by this the owner can easily access all the data and handle his business location. Okay, and then so there are many products that won't be having any barcodes or labels. So the Yajamani POS has an option in order to print the labels, okay, for all the available products at a particular business location. Coming to this variations, so if there are any variations in the products available, so you can add a variations here, and you can import products. So if you are already having products available at a particular business location, so you can import all the products, and then same goes to the opening stock also, and the selling price group. So there will be majorly two selling price group, the wholesale and the retail sale. So for coming to this restaurant, so there will be party orders or the individual orders, okay, so you can add them here. And then coming to the units, so generally there will be pieces only, so you can say pieces, or else you can add it as a half bowl or the full bowl, like that you can add units coming to that restaurant, okay. And here the categories like bakery and snacks, desserts, drinks, main menu, pizza, salad, and the starter, like that categories, okay. And here you can add the brands of the products available, like the Coca-Cola or any other brewing companies or that. And then coming to this purchases, so here you can add a purchases list and purchase returns also. So you can add purchases and you can maintain the list of all the purchases and the purchase return. And then coming to the sell, you can add sales, so how on which date and how many sales has been done in a particular day. And then coming to this POS is a point of sale. So this is a billing screen. So here you can, the Yajamani POS has been designed the POS in a simple way, so that the cashier can make billing within no time or the less time. So here you can add a customer name, so here the product name or the SKU or the scan barcode, or else you can simply click from here also. And if you are having many products, so you can simply categorize by using these filters all categories and the brands, okay. And then here you can select the type of service, like parcel or dine-in or home delivery or the third party delivery, like that. And here the table, and here the service staff name, okay. And here you can add the discount or order tax, shipping charges, and the packing charges here, okay. And then you can make a draft of all the products and the quotation, and you can suspend the sales, and you can make a credit sale, and you can accept the card payments and the multiple pay, like the phone pay, GPay, or Bharat Pay, or any other payment methods, and the cash payment. And here you can see the recent transactions, okay, like the final recent transactions or the quotations and the draft, like that, okay. So this is the POS. And coming to this home screen, sell, and you can here you can add a draft, and you can have a list of the drafts. And then same goes to the quotations and the sell return and the shipments, like the parcel orders and all those things. You can have all these details here. And the discounts, so you can add the discounts to particular products or particular particular food or item. And then here import sales, so if you have done already have done sales before using this Yajamani POS account, so you can import all those sales details also. So here coming to these expenses, you can list you can add all the expenses like business location or business power bills or the electricity bills. So you can categorize the expenses in these similar categories, like business location, rent, or employee salaries, like that, power bill, and all those things, and the daily needs. And here the list expenses, so you can add, you can see the list of expenses, and you can add expenses of all the raw material which will be used in the kitchen, okay, like the chicken or the meat and all those things, vegetables and all those things. And then coming to this payments account, so here you can list the account, like payment accept the payments from the customers, okay. So here you can see the balance sheet, okay, and the trial balance, okay, and then the cash flow and the payment account report also. And then the main important thing here is the reports. So from these reports only the business owner can assess his business, whether it is growing in a growing or decreasing or increasing way, like that. And then coming to these reports, there are profit or loss report. So here you can see the profit by products like a dish, or profit by category, profit by brand, profit by location or invoice, profit by day, customer or the date. Okay, and then coming to this purchase payment report, so you can see all the purchases done from this particular business location, the service staff report and the table report. So you can see the report from each and every table. Okay, and then you have all the data, like in that particular table how many billings have been done or how many sales have been done, like that. And the sales representative report, the service staff report, and the register report is a cash register report, and the expense report which shows all the expenses, and the sell payment report, and the product sell report, and the purchase and sale report, product purchase report. So what are all the products you have brought from the particular suppliers, including the raw materials for the kitchen, and the items report and the trending products. So this is an interesting one. So from here you can see which recipe is trending at your particular business location in a pictographical way, like the total units sold versus the values, and the stock report, and the same goes to this customer group report, supplier report, and the tax report. So here you can see the applicable tax on the input and the output and the expenses. And the activity log, you can see what are all the activity done in this particular Yajamani POS account. So coming to the bookings, so you have a calendar, so you can add a booking like by clicking on the add booking. So you can have the customer name details and the table number and the service provider also. Okay, so you can have a bookings here. And then coming to the kitchen, so here you can have all the orders list from the kitchen. Okay, and then orders, so here you can see all the orders, line orders and all your orders in the particular date. And then here you can segregate by using this service staff name. Okay, and then notification templates. So here by using this notification templates, you can send the notifications to customer and the supplier notification, like new sale, like new discount available at your restaurant, or the payment received payment reminder, or the new booking, or the new quotation. So you can send the customer notifications by email, SMS and the WhatsApp. So WhatsApp marketing is a new trending marketing which is growing in the present situation. So the Yajamani POS has included the WhatsApp text marketing also. And the same goes to the supplier notifications, like a new order, payment paid, and the items received and the items pending. Okay, the same email, SMS and the WhatsApp text. And then coming to the settings, so here you can adjust or set all the settings according to your particular business needs, like the business settings. Like here you can add the restaurant name or the currency and the logo and all those things. So here the tax, you can have the tax details. Like the same goes to the products. So here you can enable the price and tax info, brands and all those things like that. And the contact, sale, POS, purchases, dashboard, system, prefixes, email settings and SMS settings. So in order to send the notification templates, here you have to configure the SMS APIs and here the email APIs. And the reward point settings, so this is an interesting one. So in order to attract the customers, so the Yajamani POS has included the reward point settings. So here you can enable the earning reward point settings and the redeem point settings also, and the modules and the customized labels. And then so similarly you can adjust the business location settings and the invoice settings and the barcode settings and the receipt printers. So the Yajamani POS has been designed in a way that it can accept all type of printers, including the thermal printers also. And then the tax rate, so here you can add the individual tax rate of all the dishes available at your particular restaurant. Okay, and here you can add the combination of tax groups like the SGST and the CGST. And here the tables, so you can add the tables, like how many tables in your restaurant are available. Okay, and here the modifiers, you can add the modifiers according to your needs. and here the type of service, whether it is a parcel or dine-in or home delivery or third-party delivery, like that. So these are all the options available for a restaurant business from this Yajamani POS system. And individual videos and the manual are available from the YouTube channel, so you can go through them and you can have a detailed description of each function available from this Yajamani POS system. So that's it. Thank you for listening and watching.